This tutorial shows you how to use your Polycom CX500 with Microsoft Lync 2010 Phone Edition. Let's walk through key functions like how to see contacts, search Active Directory, make and receive calls, and check voicemail. Polycom CX500 IP phone is an ideal UC phone for common areas such as hallways, break rooms, and lobbies. Let's review the phone layout. The return button displays the previous screen in a submenu, or backspace is a misdialed number. The up or down buttons let you cycle through options. The OK button confirms selections. The home button always returns you to the home screen from any submenu. Then move down to speaker, mute, and volume buttons that let you control the call experience. The menu button gives you the access to high-level commands, and the left and right select buttons initiate actions shown on the display like hold, resume, etc. Because it's integrated with Microsoft Lync, the CX500 delivers your personal information wherever you are. Simplified PIN authentication offers easy sign-in. You just need to input your phone number or extension, select Next, enter your PIN, and then press Sign In. With Lync 2010 Phone Edition, you can view your contacts list or the corporate directory without having to remember numbers or extensions. From the home screen, select the contacts. A contact group list will be displayed. Select the group in which your contact resides and press left select. The contact list will be displayed, and use the up or down arrows to scroll through your list of contacts. You can use the Active Directory to search for a contact. Use a numeric keypad to begin typing the first or last name of the person from the home screen. The phone will conduct a search and provide a list of contacts to choose from. Select Call or OK to view the contact card. You can answer your CX500 in two ways. Simply pick up the handset, or press the speaker or left select button for audio-only pickup. When an incoming call is received, the caller's name and information are displayed. You can end a call on your CX500 phone by either hanging up the handset, pressing the left select button, or pressing the speaker button if you're using the speaker. To check your voicemail, select the voicemail icon from your phone's home screen. The CX500 displays the number of voicemails you have on the home screen, and when you select it, will be directed to the Lync voicemail automated system that allows you to listen to voicemail, call back the sender, and delete the voicemail.